Okay, now I've showed you this technique on long, wide, single windows. Let me show you what it can do for a set of windows like this. Alright, now watch carefully. Start over again. I'm just going to do a few of these, so you'll get the point. A lot of people would do a bunch of single poles here. Watch this. Another one, or if you want, you switch hands back this way. You get it down low enough you can reach. Pull in. It's that easy. I just did the top of 5 windows in the time it would have took to do one the traditional way. I could do all of these all the way down like that. In the time it takes to do 2 or 3 of them in the straight pull, pull, pull method. So much faster. Okay, now you saw how to do the tops really fast, and I mean that was really fast. Now I'll show you the easy way to do the bottoms of the same kind of windows. You just have this little thin rubber strip here in the middle. Basically, just ignore the rubber strip like it's not even there. You got one big, long window. We'll do the same thing all the way down. Keep your squeegee angled so that it just jumps right over them rubber strips without a problem. Ta-da! Okay, here's a couple of windows. As you can see, the whole house is made of these windows. They're actually cut up into little bitty windows. Those side windows are only about 2.5 inches wide, so there's no getting a squeegee in there. How did I do these? How did I do them? Well, while you're thinking about that, let me take you around the back here, and we are going to look at a couple of other windows that my daughter, who's almost as good as I am, did. These are second floor windows. These 2 windows did not take as long to do as those first windows did. Let's take another nice close look at those windows. Up real close for a second so you can get the feel for how much fun these really are. How did I do these windows? And as you can see, they didn't take that long. She did 2 windows in the time it took me to do these 2 windows. And the other 2 were easy. Climb, clean, climb. So just think about that, and I'll show you in a minute. This is how you get those windows clean. First you wet and squeegee the one in the middle with a mostly dry rag, and then you get them all wet with a nice dried up rag, and then you have to paper towel them. It's really the only way to do it. Unless you have a 2-inch squeegee. I don't. I've heard people say real window cleaners don't use paper towel. So they do when they have to. Yeah, you could use a microfiber or something like that on this, but how many of them would you have to haul around with you? Paper towel works just fine if you don't drop it. This is how you clean these little bitty windows like this. Take a microfiber rag, any rag if you want. Microfiber works the best. A little squeegee, right? You get it just damp enough that you can wash the window with it. Then you swipe it, and you use just the corner,
start in the corner, go across, swipe it again on here, and then you just pull straight down. Pull straight down. It's really that easy.